The sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
Now, I don't know about you, but I can't wait till Eli's review of this. The trailer, our very first look at the remake, the live-action remake of The Lion King. Simba, all of the drama that unravels Pride Rock is returning to the big screen in CG form with some new voices, Beyoncé, Donald Glover, but one is staying true to the original. You're going to recognize that voice, of course, James Earl Jones. He is King Mufasa. So The Lion King in this version set to arrive in theaters next summer. We should start the countdown. Oh my. You're watching CBC News Network.
CBC